What's something people don't know about the universe? Stay tuned, because today we're revealing the top 5 unsolved mysteries of the universe. Number 5. The Great Attractor. This massive gravitational anomaly is located about 200 million light-years away. It pulls galaxies, including ours, towards it, at a speed of over 1 million miles per hour. Number 4. Fast radio bursts. These intense bursts of radio waves come from distant galaxies. What causes them? We still don't know. Number 3. Black holes. These cosmic vacuum cleaners devour everything, even light. But what happens inside them? It's still a massive mystery. Number 2. The Fermi paradox. With billions of stars in our galaxy, where is everybody? Are we truly alone, or is someone or something out there? And number 1. The multiverse. Is our universe just one of many coexisting side by side? This mind-bending concept could change everything we know about reality. Curious yet? If your curiosity looks like a black hole, you're about to get sucked in. Ready? Here are the top 5 most distant objects in the universe. At number 5, we have the quasar ULSJ 1120 plus 0641. This ultra-bright galaxy is a whopping 13 billion light-years away. Next up, number 4, the galaxy GNZ11. It's been around since just 400 million years after the Big Bang. Talk about ancient history. Sliding into number 3, the galaxy MAX 0647 JD. Discovered by Hubble, it's over 13.3 billion light-years from us. That's practically the edge of the observable universe. In second place, meet the galaxy EGC 8P7. This one's a monster at 13.2 billion light-years away, and it's still forming stars. And finally, the most distant object ever discovered, the galaxy HD1. Clocking in at a staggering 13.5 billion light-years, it's almost as old as the universe itself. Unimaginable where we would be without these medical wonders. Here are the top 5 breakthroughs in medical science. Number 5. Penicillin. Discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1928, this wonder drug kickstarted the antibiotic revolution. Imagine medicine without it. Number 4. The Human Genome Project. Completed in 2003, it mapped all our genes, opening doors to personalized medicine and targeted treatments. Think of it as the Google Maps of your DNA. Number 3. Vaccines. From smallpox to COVID-19, vaccines have saved millions of lives. Thank you, Edward Jenner, and all the brilliant minds that followed. Number 2. MRI scans. Invented in 1977, MRI technology lets us see inside the human body without a single incision. It's like having X-ray vision, but cooler. And finally, number 1. CRISPR. This gene editing tool, discovered in 2012, allows us to cut and paste DNA. The future possibilities are endless, from curing genetic diseases to creating supercrops. These discoveries didn't just change the game, they rewrote the rules. You won't believe what scientists have done in the name of discovery. Here are the top 5 controversial scientific experiments. Number 5. The Milgram experiment. In the 1960s, psychologist Stanley Milgram tested obedience by instructing participants to administer electric shocks to strangers. Spoiler alert, it got dark real fast. Number 4. The Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, Professor Philip Zimbardo turned college students into guards and prisoners. It was supposed to last weeks, but was shut down after 6 days due to extreme psychological effects and violence. Number 3. The Little Albert Experiment. In 1920, John Watson conditioned a baby to fear toy animals by pairing them with scary noises. Yeah, you heard that right, a baby. Number 2. Project MKUltra. The CIA's secret mind control program during the Cold War involved administering LSD to unsuspecting citizens. And finally, number 1. The Tuskegee Syphilis Study. From 1932 to 1972, African-American men with syphilis were left untreated to study the disease's progression. It's a grim reminder of ethical boundaries crossed. None of us truly appreciate how incredibly weird and wonderful our bodies are. Here are the top 5 fascinating facts about human biology. Fact 1. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. That's over 35 million times a year. Talk about a workout. Fact 2. Your brain is a supercomputer. It generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Bright idea, right? Fact 3. Our bones are stronger than steel. Pound for pound, they can handle more pressure than concrete. Who knew we were walking fortresses? Fact 4. We shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. That's roughly 1.5 pounds a year. Goodbye, old cells. Hello, new you. Fact 5. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days. It regenerates to protect itself from its own acid. Talk about self-care. So there you have it, folks. 5 fascinating facts that prove your body is an incredible machine. Today we show you the top 5 engineering failures that shocked the world. At number 5, we've got the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Built on unstable soil, this 12th century mishap started tilting before it was even finished. Sliding in at number 4, it's the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. This bad boy was nicknamed Galloping Gertie for a reason. It twisted and turned in the wind until it collapsed in 1940. Number 3, that's the Vasa ship. Sweden's pride and joy sank barely a mile into its maiden voyage in 1628. Turns out, top-heavy designs and strong winds don't mix. Rolling in at number 2, the Hyatt Regency Walkway. This Kansas City hotel's suspended walkway tragically collapsed in 1981 due to design flaws, costing 114 lives. And finally, at number 1, the Chernobyl nuclear disaster. A catastrophic meltdown in 1986 that changed the world forever. A stark reminder of the importance of safety in engineering. So there you have it. 5 engineering failures that leave us all asking, what were they thinking? I almost missed telling you about these insane space discoveries. Let's fix that. First up, we have the discovery of water on Mars. Yep, you heard that right. Scientists found liquid water, which means Mars could potentially support life. Next, the mind-boggling existence of exoplanets. These are planets outside our solar system, and we've found thousands. Some of them might even be Earth-like. Third, dark matter and dark energy. We can't see them, but we know they make up about 95% of the universe. It's like the universe's hidden secret. Coming in at number 4, the earliest galaxies. Thanks to powerful telescopes, we've seen galaxies that formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Talk about ancient history. And finally, gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time were predicted by Einstein and confirmed just recently. They've opened up a whole new way of observing the universe. So there you have it. 5 space discoveries that are truly out of this world. Stay curious, space enthusiasts, and keep looking up. These are the top 5 most influential scientists in history that shaped our reality. First up, Sir Isaac Newton. He gave us the laws of motion and gravity. Imagine life without knowing why apples fall. Next, Marie Curie. She discovered radioactivity and won 2 Nobel Prizes. Talk about girl power. Then there's Albert Einstein. EDMC2, anyone? He reshaped physics and our understanding of the universe. Nikola Tesla, the wizard of electricity. His work with AC power lit up the world. Literally. Last but not least, Charles Darwin. Evolution and natural selection. His theories changed how we see life itself. These geniuses didn't just change science, they changed everything. Who's your favorite? I bet you didn't know these incredible inventions even existed. Get ready to be amazed. Number 1, self-healing concrete. Yep, concrete that fixes its own cracks. Goodbye potholes. Next up, we have smart contact lenses. These babies can monitor your health right from your eyes. The future of health tracking is here. Third on the list, the foldable phone. Imagine a tablet that fits in your pocket. Talk about portability. Coming in 4th, the 3D printing pen. Doodle in the air and watch your creations come to life. It's like magic but real. And finally, the smart mirror. Not just for selfies. It gives you health tips, weather updates, and much more while you brush your teeth. Get ready, tech lovers. These are the hottest gadgets of 2024. First up, the Smart Mirror 2.0. It's not just for checking your look, but also shows your schedule, weather, and fitness stats. Next, we've got the Hyperdrone X. This bad boy is faster, lighter, and has AI-assisted flight. Perfect for capturing epic aerial shots. Coming in hot at number 3, the Quantum Earbuds. These wireless wonders adapt sound to your environment for the ultimate audio experience. 4th on the list, the HoloLens 3. Augmented reality that actually feels real. From gaming to work, this headset does it all. And finally, the EcoCharge Solar Bank. Charge your devices using just the power of the sun. Eco-friendly and super handy. There you have it. The top 5 tech gadgets you absolutely need this year. Which one's your fave? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.